How to change any object of any image using the Canva AI. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use the Canva AI features in order to change the appearance or completely change any particular object in Canva. So as here you can see, I have this blank Canva design right here, which is a Canva presentation. And in order to demonstrate, the first thing that I'm going to do is add any stock image into this design. So in order to add any stock image, I'm going to click onto this elements tab, and from here choose any suitable image. So for example, let's say this image right here. So let me simply click onto this and it will be landed into my canvas right here. Let me quickly set this image as background if I want, and then I will perform the AI options that I told you about. So for example, let's say I want that instead of this laptop, I want that this laptop should be converted into some books instead. So what I can do is I can simply ask the Canva AI to replace this laptop and add books instead. And it will do that for me. So let me show you how to do this. So for the first step is to select the particular image in which you want to make those changes. And then you will need to click onto this edit button right here when these options show up. So simply click onto this edit button and it will open these menu from the left hand side. Now from here you can see under the select area, you can see the second option that says click. So simply choose this click option and here you can see that it has started detecting the elements present here. So as you can see, it is detecting this notes, this phone right here, this laptop as well, and also this book as well. So since I want to change the laptop, I'm going to click onto this laptop and now I have three options. Now from here I can either choose to erase it, grab it, or the third one is the magic edit. So simply click onto this third option, that is the magic edit, and then here you can describe your edit. So for example, as I have told you, I want a pile of books. So let me simply type in. So as here you can see, I have given it a very simple prompt and then I'm going to click onto this generate option. Also, if you don't have any options or if you don't have any prompt in your mind, you can always click onto this inspire me button to load a random particular prompt. So anyways, let's click onto this generate button and wait for the AI to do its work. And once it will be done, it will give us 4 previews of the same exact prompt so that we can choose which prompt suits better. And here you can see that it has beautifully done these edits, and instead of the laptop there are now books lying over this table. So you can choose any of the photo that you please. Here are these, here is the preview of all of them. So for example, let's go with this one. So you can simply click onto this done button and here you can see this image. Let me quickly detach it from the background so that we can compare it with the original laptop image. Let me go to the elements again and here you can see this was the original image that we had worked upon, and this is the AI version of the same particular image but with books instead of this laptop right here. So that's how you can leverage the Canva AI in order to access these special features. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you. Or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.